C, make go, C, spot on. We all know it's a radio song, no doubt. I need to get drunk and high every day so I can transition into a mainstream. All I need is one good song, get alone. Why we must hate weather low. Go, plastic full alone. Girl, I need you, my phone. Selfies all day. You're the most beautiful girl that I've ever seen. Get out, beautiful, get down, beautiful, get down. She gets down, beautiful, get down, beautiful, get down, beautiful, get fancy cars, 24 time it drinks. Another day spinning chrome, another day sporting gold grills. Another day eating chills, another day burning rubber. Following a burning pill. I gotta keep my crew happy, slappy. A drive through, water, what cake, a party. Get up, party it up, yeah, party it up, yeah, party it up, yeah, party it, party, 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 party it up, party it up, yeah, party it up, yeah, party it up. Put your hands high, 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 put your hands high, 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 put your hands high to the sky, yeah, up to the sky. We're saying prayers, midnight house, taking long, hot, slowly shouts, crying my eyes out, gonna walk, next day, anniversary, I walk full mindset, last night out, drinking booze, smoking top shelf, yeah, all day, we smoking all day. Playing video games, about 3 minutes a piece, working up collection of 900, so far we got about 188, but we ballin', getting paid, playing video games, I ballin', on my own time, falling asleep, high and drunk, getting paid, playing video games, been good as for CD, baby, that's my distributor, cause you know I submit 50 tracks, an album, times 300, and if I'm correct on the math, 15,000, goals, raise your hands, you got a soul, he got soul, sing it so, yo, try who you want, got to see this music already, I define you, they work for me, I ain't work for them, so that means me that I sing on the cake, icing on the cake, girl, you're icing on the cake, man, I thought I had everything, but the sound of your voice is icing on the cake, can I get a slice, can I get a piece of that, have refills, are they free, well I gotta pay dollars, cause I be making it rain, money rain, room, step inside, and it falls, and let's take a shot, I'm letting y'all know that it's okay to do what I'm doing, I'm showing you the way, that's what they say, it's not about age, that's what they say, listen to their stage, that's what they say, they still damn thing, yeah, that's what they say, that's what they say, yeah, that's what they say, yeah, watch the mates, come on man, you do it yourself, you're too busy for this, so it's time to go, put on some fresh clothes, the rain goes down, feel the air, feel the sun hit your face, man, that feels great, the sun rays, being animated today, all I wanna be is here with you, girl, you're my reason why I didn't stay in, you're the reason why I'm busy, you're my reason to do, you're my reason to be, so let's go out, with the windows down, have some sex, under the maple tree, cause you're the one I'm having with, you're the best, amazing, but first you gotta get your ass out of bed so we can meet at the park, accidentally, you know, it's one of those things watching our pets, and then eyes met eyes, and history was made, Fantastic Jones playing on the radio, we got in the car and I'm like, damn, are you the one I was waiting for, secret smiles, got my eyes on you, polka dots, shirts and polka dot pants, for relief from heaven, praise the Lord Jesus, I came back here to save you, the hell, small handful, ones who like my kind of music, the other few might be lost soul, sorry though, keep on trying, there is a job for everyone, I believe, there is a heaven, I'm coming back to Wadri, following cause I believe I was ghost, out of myself and out of my own house, out at everybody I know, acted different, like I had a stroke, and no one knows what really happens when you start walking this path alone. Yeah, that was some deep tracks. Felt like repeats. We didn't say it like that, no. Homie need another hit. Always got his classics. Ain't been in the studio for what seems like months. Even put out an album. Homie lost all his energy. Homie feeling like he on family feud. And they ask a question. At what age do you feel like you're getting old? And homie's only 41, turning 42. Man, those back problems. Did it. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Yeah, man, I learned a lot of lessons though. Playing deals with Jesus. I'm playing with the devil. Cause I don't believe he's real. Only the load. You say, oh no. You praise the load. You finally came to my side. I be like, nah, I was always home. But you were the one that didn't open the door. I entered in way early. Taking pictures and fucking videos. Watching those memories of us play in slow-mo, but we'll pass the goal in the light. There ain't no going back with homie traveled the road alone. Nice and slow, nice and slow. When homie went home alone. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Man, it feels like it's been months since I've been in the studio making more classics. Pop goes, pops microphone, fixes out the top shelf. Homies number one. You like to put the needle in and pull it out slow. Yeah, still at the end of the day, homie goes alone.
Track Godo, the new remix.
Woo. Yeah. 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 Pop, yo, everything you made. Pop, we are. Yeah. Motorcycle. Yo, got. It's around the corner. Hills. Your head down, there's a funeral. I go hard, there's a party. You drive me great. Late a day, it's got me. I'm the late on the crack. She's got me hooked on the crack. I just can't stop. What more? I'll go out. One more sneer. What sneer? What in the more? One more crack. One more crack. one no more crack. I want more crack from you tonight. The room 5. Take off your clothes, install the pole. King of devil, the DJ's be a gold. And if you pump a 5-0, bring it back to the Metro Royce. Go. When I'm all around the world, I spin the tops, I breathe more, I let out exhaust, I pray from heaven to hell. What the hell am I doing here? Fuck your enjoyment. Nah, the pot, I love about my dick. You like it? Alright, you sit in haze. No things to do. Besides being dead. I yo.
Track
Cuban
High
Studios,
Times
as you
with
guys did.
Casper
I'm a
Bro.
music producer, and I love my job. I get to make music with my favorite
that's on
pals
the album
online,
right now.
Chat website, shout outs to all my homies
I'm
out
gonna
there. We've been
glue
doing
my
this for
glasses
years, man.
back
There ain't no
together,
going back
homie.
to who we used to be. That's why it's high
On
times with Casper.
stage.
So you guys know me, full
Glue
of
it.
smoking, making music, and acting crazy. The majority part in a weird, he's a weird guy. I never had a conversation with him in my life. I'm so close to him. You know who my best friend is? My wife. It's gonna stay that way. 3 years of marriage coming up here, homie. Y'all
shit,
thought we were gonna
yo.
fail, and at some point, you gotta put your ego down and be
Yeah,
friends with
y'all
me. 'Cause you
fought.
can't go your whole entire life avoiding the music producer, freestylist. I'm a top 100
too much
freestylist. When I say that, I mean get out a piece of paper and write down 100 freestyle rappers. And my name will probably be on that list. So I want you to do that right now. You can even do it on your notes on your phone.
do
You just
it.
jot it down. Do Google search. He'll talk. Shout outs to Beto. Shout outs to ST Fruits. Shout outs to Les. Man, we got shout outs, homie. He's basically said everyone on my screen. Shout outs to PBIs. Shout outs one more time to Saul. Looking good, bro. Remember I saw you December or November of 2019. And it looked like you fell down steps, bro. I'm glad your face is looking better. All the women still hang off of you. You a pimp. You know that? Homie's a pimp. Chat. I'm just a guy that comes in there and never speaks, never talks. But I talk here. I speak here. That's okay, right? We can talk here. Email cwspod@gmail.com. You know, underneath the comments, yesterday I was watching a YouTube video and I want to give a shout out to that gamer that I was speaking to yesterday with a green font on top. I subscribed to your channel because I was watching a casino video and I seen a comment out there like casinos are the real cheaters. So I had to put in my 2 cents, you know, me being business and all this. I'm like, first of all, it's not real professional. But anyway, I felt bad after I said that. But then I subscribed to the channel and then he replied, he said, thanks for subscribing. I'm sure not too many people get us a authorized artist symbol subscribe to your channel. I'm sure you don't get too many people in my status, bro. There's a high chance that every video I watch I subscribe to. I didn't watch any of your videos, but I just want you to know that I did kind of feel bad coming at you the way I did. I didn't say anything bad. It was more like, you know, because they're like casinos are the real cheaters. And I was like, yo, how are you going to hate on a legal industry just because it's illegal where you live doesn't mean it's wrong. Speaking of how you are giving this industry a bad name, that is illegal. You are committing a crime right now by calling them cheaters when they run by the books. And I said, my suggestion is you keep your mouth shut. No, I said best practice. I mean, I said it real good and under 3 lines. Best practice is keep your mouth shut. I subscribed to his channel and he replied back with the same comments as thanks for subscribing. That put a smile on my face. I gotta give it to you, man. I smiled real big for 30 minutes after that. You know, back in the day, I used to get hated on, and now I'll have isolation personality disorder or anything like that. I just like to be in my studio alone. You're gonna call me names. Luckily, my name's a part of a business, so I could sue you for making me look bad. Libel and slander. I've been using those for years. Everyone keeps their mouth shut, really. Like, if you got a problem with that, you should check yourself, because someday it might come to bite you in your small ass. Let's smoke up here. We got this audio recording, not video. I'm an audio guy where I get paid. All of what you see in here is just icing on the cake. You know, it's just somewhere to chill. Besides out there, I'm gonna chill with my disorders. Talk too much disorder. Ain't looking right disorder. Talk too loud disorder. Can't hear you disorder. Bad grammar disorder. There's a disorder for everything. So we're disorderly having say so will not affect me. They're just an out of tune radio set that I can't figure out how to turn off. So I point you that way. And then I'll check back when my batteries go dead in 6 hours. So you can have fun chilling with yourself, and I'll just be back, okay? Damn, so that's how you gotta handle bullies. You try it sometime. Don't be a wussy. I mean, and you gotta look like you ain't all freaked out, because that's all part of the style. You gotta come in low, usually the haters, man, and then you just walk away. It was a bad experience, and they know that, like, you're on a pedestal because you're so good at what you continue to do. And it's amazing living in a life full of ecstasy. It's amazing when you're too high to reach the lower shelf. All you reach for is the top shelf. Welcome to Creative Wind Studios. I'm your best friend for today. Love, Justin, Perry, and Casper here to entertain you this lovely afternoon. You could watch your neighbor tomorrow. Today, you should watch me. One day of your life ain't gonna hurt you. We ain't as fast like all they are. We chill, man. Ain't gotta worry about us in this padded room. Gotta worry about you. Put it on my seatbelt extra tight when I get in your car. So let's take another bite. So we're gonna keep on talking until I feel good, and then we'll graduate to being creative like we have been the past half hour. Yeah, just a different way. I'm gonna show you how amazing I am. You could too be here if you would stop running away from your mental illnesses. You could too be making money when you sleep if you let God into your heart and use Him to strengthen you. Put Him first. Play something about it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. To see the music and say that I agree with you. There's I just believe in where I am. Like, I don't understand who I don't ask questions. It's okay if I don't swerve. I have a job here to do on that, making music. So I don't emphasize apocalypse. I leave you better off. Still got that in all of you. We still hear this live music. We still hear that. Talking about where I go. I know some people that don't be watching. Struggle from down, money bags. Here in my head right now, man. Oh yeah, see the future in my head. Yeah, we getting high with legends, scholarships, becoming laid back, studying long-term relationships with foreign individuals, countries. Buying me time, these Donald Trump, man, my brain's still scattered at the moment. I can't write a rhyme, I ain't high yet, mom. Just trying to let it all go, up on my head. Man, I was just rhyming Cade, looking at this. Never leave yourself with just one option. Jail is always there for your last option. To see, I'm a king, OJ, stay on the streets. Ride slow, 20 miles an hour.
Track keep on smoking
blame it on those
weed.
cause they discriminate in hate. They got their barrels and nuts, screw tight. They ain't the loose ride, came out. Sell it in 30 days, 2 stone in life. Burn many brain cells, 1 too many joints. Came too close to heaven's gates. Now I'm back with so much information. Homie got another joint, now I got emphysema. That's right, don't believe it myself. That's why we keep on smoking. Nah, this ain't that. It's gotta be something else. That's right, disbelief kept the ghost disappearing in the night. Homie, we all got I did today. I want to think 200 years ago, what would those people think? What are their stories and the legends? Do we even know? Do we even care? I mean, we have to be so standard just to get right. See, homie knows the plan and homie got game. Homie sits down in meals of pray. Homie take fast shit and go Sunday. Homie sings loud from the milk while yo. Homie did it all, homie got it. A nice house, a nice ride, a sweet girl, and a beautiful church. Yeah, can celebrate full life. Yeah, yeah. The sacrifice. Homie, you know it? Yeah, you know it. Who it is? Who is it? Yeah, man, Jesus knocking on the door, so I open it real quick. There's no seconds to waste. I open it, I'll be like, bam, yo. A cinnamon boy, I confess, I be smoking weed. Together, popping back and forth. I start to see J's. Man, I'm so high, I be hit open all night. Let's watch it live every day. On the screen, making more CDs and those tapes all out the jail. Stay in charge. I only need to be the one, maybe twice to get up. Man, I ain't going back. I ain't going back to jail. Yeah, no more white nose up my rail. No more white. Yeah, man, homie couldn't shooting in search. Swearing many words. Gotta confess. And let the tears run down the face. So we can see the witnesses. See the guilt running from the eyeballs. We need to see that you'll feel sorry so you can learn and become the best. Like us. It's so good, man. I'm the best. You can't mess. Cause I know this book in and out, in and out, in and out every year. It's called sacrifice. In and out, in and out. It's called sacrifice. Sacrifice. It's called sacrifice. Yeah, man, I'm going to church.
Track living
It
on
was
this
just a
block.
blend of what I living on the block. Glorious. We be living on the block. Replay. Living on this block. Imagine living on this block. There's a storm coming. They say it's a twister. I'm foaming at the mouth. I got $1 million in the bank. $1 million in the bank. I'm moving earthquakes. Earth lack. Not relevant. Full of facts. Send it down. Too slick. Marble eyeball has been shot quick. Taking day, but a full house. I pronounce pronouns. Yeah. Pray to be big up. It's okay if they call you big up. Stand vertical up. Good posture. Re-announce the name tag. Detail who's your name again. Plugged in to avoid bad energy. On the plus sides, I be eating too much. I ain't snitch, cause I got a 12-pack of candy bars. I'ma eat when I get back. Cry myself to sleep. I woke up, still in the same miserable position. Can't get out. My pocket rises every time he talks. Same as the same day yesterday. Be tapered. Your diagnosis stays irritated. Got a big nose, I can smell a rat. From 5-0, you can prevent what's about to happen. It doesn't have to revert or what you see. Fantasize, delusions. You're a visitor today, I see. Crank the lock, open the door. Hammer cocks back, bobsled. No one got your back, you're out alone. Causing the big time slope, your heart light raise. A debunk your game. Announcing, game about to start. Play, you're winning points. What you have isn't curable. You stay concealed and no one knows. Finally owes, finally goes, and finally win the jacket you owe. Chewing the gumball hard. Yeah, duck chuck. Woo, man. We were rocking it. Had a loaded joint. Asking God, what's the point? Surely things can be done, but not dressed in orange. Ditch down, drawn ahead, pitch. Laugh and figure out what it wants. What I give, it sees. Not self-sprung, I'm handed down. Less filled. Rattlesnakes, I hear it, close. Rattlesnakes, battle station.
Track
Yeah. Live by the way. I'll beat you up if you ain't living by the way. They come and beat you up in your sleep. You do not obey. That's why I will obey and I sleep with a healthy conscience. I ain't living no one nightmare. Yeah, welcome. Yeah. Welcome to the show. Oh yeah. Transform these thoughts to words. Listen close, I observe. Bend your ass over, flapping wings like a bird. Cause so much we get down, lay down, ain't now, pronoun. My name's Big Key, so tall I see across seas. Jumping rivers cause they're afraid of me. Boy, you cannot run from this microphone, this voice. Legendary style, sit around a picnic and roast marshmallows. Cause when it's time to roll, we roll. When it's time to go to church, go. When it's time to take a crap, go. Tired of procrastination, living under one nation. But we're delirious as hell. Praying to Jesus that he takes good care of his children. Yeah, man, your turn, not too bad. Just imagine when these thoughts get more critiqued, but I sit with ghosts. We shoot conversations, they could fucking Cass was retired and then came Wadgery. I was never tired of him, you see, but it came with a curse. Happily driving slow, cause I'm thinking about the last thought we already forgot. But tomorrow, see, we're on something new. We drive with the window down, cause I got gas to burn.
Track Mary the Crack.
5-star track from Love Justin Perry.
Some hot shit, yo. However you look at it, bro. Look where this
Mary
goes.
the Crack.
I'm smoking. Smoking. Homie, I be smoking. I see where this goes. Cause I be floating in the ocean. I've been sunk well through the bottom rocks. And I broke my back. Sniff that crack. But I make my music for 200 years. Kids, are you listening to these hot scrolls? Strike a pose. You came through the gates. Unknown. Buy your ticket. If you play real. Yeah, buy your ticket, play real. Buy your ticket, play real. Homie, you're shooting mental views. Don't let my master's degree interrogate your plot. Her opinion. Cause the egos come alive. Cause we acted in Hollywood. Show 'em food. He's got grooves. Open on what's left by buck plots. You still gotta hope. That's what's good. You still gotta hope. At least you ain't a lot. But you came a long way. You know what you've been through some BA. The only reason I'm here is because Jesus, I guess. That put me here through this mess. I'ma do lit. Do what I need to do to get on that most prolific list. Whatever they talk. 9 years late to get the intelligence. I put in my work like any legend. But it doesn't matter if I'm living or dead. Cause I live every day as I already want. I'm just doing my job. I'm doing my job, man. That's how I view the situation. I got a second chance at life. My body was able to reanimate. You could say I lost my plate and everyone else in. But that was okay with me because I was just in my own play.
5-star track from Love Justin Perry.
Track
The
Money
next
Tree
track
Jam.
is
Got
called
talk. I'm gonna raise my kid. Let me
The
teach
Good
him how.
Cotton
Make a
Mouth
dollar. Money trees.
Instrumental
Money
by
trees.
Love Justin Perry.
Make lots of money. Money trees. I'm gonna make an example of how to do money trees. Money trees. There's lots of trees. Bro, forever. Money trees. You got money trees. Oh, money trees. Lots of money trees. Lots of money trees. Tons of money. Tons of fun. Rather be there, celebrate time, than on the side of gutter. I'm a mom paid for. I'd rather be drive a nice Bentley, have a honey. So life's all about money. Life's all about money. Life's all about money. Life's all about pop, pop. Life's all about Tab. As I say that every time I see him drive his Benz. USTIN. Still balls. Got big balls. Digs deep when he goes deep. Digs in, goes in. 150%. Know what it is? Yeah, we know it. What? We know it? Yeah, we know it. Yeah, we know it. Yeah, we know what it's like, bro. Cheering you along the way. Can't wait for you to get here in. So celebrate 10. It's so great. Ain't gotta wake up for work every morning. At 9 a.m., I wake and bake. Whenever I decide to, or go to bed. Whenever I decide to, I be releasing this for 150% content. That's how much we giving it, 50 tracks. Who does that, man? Question mark. Look in the almanac. Surely in the past 50 years of recorded media, someone's made a dent like this. You can't fool me. I know there's at least 1,000 people out there. Come on, put me down. I know you can do it. I'm the biggest troll. Master Ron. You just a pester. Carry on. I got my spinning ring finger. It's like the rims. I'm a ride. Whipping around the bitch. Cause I own this place. I got hot. Electric gates. Go zap. Come on, I know. You want to be contestant number unlimited. We celebrate every day because I'm a try hard. Right, got a big dick. 2, got a loving marriage. I got it all, man. I'm doing drugs on top of that. I can handle myself. What are you? You can't even barely manage your job. Sitting back here with my feet up. Did you hear the last song? Watching chat.
Dose, yeah, updating my dose. The time for my meds yet? Nah, I ain't got mental illness. Yeah, I'm on flop and shit. Cause I got too much pain. Take depressed, commit suicide. Should be the poster boy of most tortured. Pain that never goes away. The only way it does when you take your pills. I wanna get off of this, so I'm trying lacking cream. Wishing in the day when I can actually take dumps, see my food go out. Hey, same day. That's a happy day, 15 years. So yeah, let's just play the game. I hear when get ass up. Homie, that's a dream. Be cherishing what you live. Me stuck on pills for the rest of my life just to run away from this pain. There's no standing up to it. That I was so strong. Better than mental illness. That shit keeps strong. Darkness will wake you when you sleep. You can only sleep a certain way. You can only walk and talk a certain way. Have you been what? Beat down. Homie, been beat down. No one cares. Cause none of you buy his albums. He knows where the sales come from. None of you care. None of you care. When I go admit myself to the mental illness hospital, I'ma have the impression that they care. They don't know me. They don't know where I'm from. They wanna know about my business. Don't care about my music. They wanna know about my marriage. They wanna know about the drugs I'm on. They got a plan for me, homie. They got a plan. Go show me. I'm down for a wheelchair.
So I've been planning to mix.
All of you. Yes, so
Man, yo, this microphone is
I'm only sold
incredible.
to my music and my girl. Besides that, yo, you got a pamphlet I could read, and you got a YouTube channel.
That's
homie.
what
You
you're
got
hearing
one of
in
those
the
you know what,
background,
looking at my
man.
Twitter page, and I'm
satisfied with what my homies do. Try to keep tabs on that, right? We got dead videos.
I mean, I have to
phrases,
get
fire
real
up
high
here,
again
New one
to
up here and here.
really
Clean
be
up after
freestyle,
the wire mess and like get down this
I'd
ball.
rather use
I don't know,
this
maybe I like
time
it here. Big bucks from sobriety.
to
You have to do
mix.
multiple things at once to achieve maximum goals.
There's
You know,
a lot of
really,
new
you got a
stuff
headache, what do
there.
you do? Take Tylenol.
Turn off all that. Yeah, so that was the pre. So that's bypassing the whole mixer. I don't know if you heard it, but maybe just my headphones, but incoming was a bit too loud. So it's partly my job too, to keep an eye on all those. Oh damn, I'm sorry. Gotta fix my head sometimes. But yeah, I guess I am in the market, but not really. And that's perfectly fine. It's I don't know, just so I had to come up with a few words, or I still have to. I guess throw in the hat. And it will make you, or make her feel better on some sort of exercise. And everyone for a while. Say a few days. I don't think it's to that extreme, but sort of the mentality, not love. It's more like I don't know, maybe I got it wrong. I'm slowly understanding. But here's what it really is, alright? It's not her. It's not me. I complained about this several times. It's the pressure of having the label of marriage and like husband and wife, because we're so brainwashed. Let me turn off my auto tune, man. You want to hear my gorgeous ass voice? Since I gotta learn to talk to where I don't hurt feelings. I believe I still hurt a lot of feelings. No, yo, that's not fair.
Take the hits, cause you're worth it. Every damn last drink until you're by my
Check.
side.
So,
I won't sleep.
She also got me soda today. So, I guess I'm just feeling left confused about the whole thing. Like, what am I supposed to do? No, I guess I tried to do my thing, but it was wrong. Not a big deal, We hit the reset button. But I guess I don't need soda, but I do to drink this. Damn, yo. Get tipsy. Yeah, if we're gonna bring man, because they got a ceiling, and they let you know it. So good. Damn, this is good music. You know, sometimes you can't turn off good music, though. And return on some bullshit. So we're going to give you 10 more minutes of basically this unreleased stuff. Gave you an early preview. Like 8 months. Apologize, I've been busy. But I promise you, we're gonna pick up shit. I might make it look nice in here for one. Apologize for my messiness. But lately I've been feeling better. And that's good. Basically, that means I didn't twist a muscle. Usually.
Tell me everything. Every time I see your hair and I see your diamond rings, I look at your necklace, beautiful pearls, earrings around the globe, nails just got done with the girls. I'm driving you insane, G6A, I'm driving her insane. And God replies, a great one, Jesus, oh God, thankful for my lucky star. I can honestly say that Jesus loves me. We attain, we've done everything. Long talks, in my most shame, how stupid I am. Have talks about all kinds of perverted stuff, like putting brushes up your booty hole. You don't imagine what goes on at a slumber part of your voice. I love how you make me laugh. Tell me more about yourself. Go on second date, let's go on the third. I've been a gentleman, holding the door open. Boss, first class, expensive champagne. She says we getting drunk, they're not, so we getting drunk. I pay all these people to get drunk. The girl says we going on jet tonight. We going on jet tonight. Yeah, the ball is in your hands. Good try it. The ball is in your hands.
All right, so sorry. I'm delaying reaction here.
You know how to drive. I'm impressed. I have never met a woman like you. You are.
We're gonna make new mixtapes now.
God has answered my prayers. He delivered you under my Christmas tree. Praise the Lord. Plenty open lockers. Bundles of money falls out, and that's when I knew they knew who I was. I was gonna be their new best friend. See, sometimes I do that on accident, so I see what your eyes please. I'm on my knees saying don't leave. You said I want you to cool and never leave. Always lay your tail. I said I'll steal the side. You come home at the end of the night. Like okay, just like a mood right, mood rings, LED lights. You know it's on my iPhone. It's on an app. I'll be right back. You know we kiss, make out. Eventually we got kids, quite a few. But it was a journey to become a fame. It didn't happen overnight. And we scream. I'm not too loud now. I know my swing. I swing good or I don't swing it all. I bring it all home with a bacon. But daddy's heat, daddy's hot. Daddy comes back with a lot of cash. On your 2 feet. Shit, I'll get on the pole. Feel high so confident. Holding strong to two goals. Almost sink with those rivals. Rise from the crypt. Walk on the cement. Become strong foundation. Round up, regain. Citizenship where you live. Home is where you make it. I'm playing the game.
Case. Don't be
Track
late out of disrespect. Homie drives BMW. Yeah. Hell yeah, man. That was the process I did. Change the tone of the snap, creating my beat. Now we create new samples, raise the heat, but we just play them at random. These little samples, spot them, so I could use them. Jealous folks out there. Got a piano here and an iPad here. I can easily create whatever I want. QY100. Proof is in the pudding. Yeah, I squirt vanilla and half chocolate. It ain't legal, is it, to edit a song using Adobe Audition? Sounds like a personal preference that I stick with paper and pencil and zeros and ones. Can't get ahead, where is the rule book for this? What do I mean to say I can't use iPad beats to be number one? What do I mean I can't use this equipment to record old samples on? Make something like this, just in the Quest. CJ001, that was the first day on the job, didn't know anything. And the dick to the butt, had no clue. I was a virgin, came in here and then I grew a big dong. Came charge of it all, brushed hard in 2 years. But we got this set up here, anyway we play. But yeah, that's what we did, doing the beat and called ours. And they took it, it's like all the rest. No one said no, except for the artwork. I mean, I'm here to catch a beat, not to here to compete. 42 damn years old, I need the 300 albums. Get here tomorrow. Automations, oh man, yo, I ruined it, man. I'm just playing with you, man. We'd still smoke, unless you against that too. I will let you drink and get belligerent, maybe puke all over my nice pianos. Yeah, it is what it is. There it is, man. Velcro. It's like a pair of shoes I used to own. Yeah. Oh, damn, a building casino. Track after track. Mixtape mixed in. Acapellas with virtual dicks. Interconnects. 64 gigabytes of RAM. Cache drives. SAS 3 Enterprise RAID 50. How many drives you got compared to my dual RAID 50s? It's just playing the game right so we ain't lose information. Used to buy domains as a virtual property. And then I thought, why don't we make musical tracks for my pretty ass voice? When I got tired of hearing how beautiful across from me. Playing a skit. Mind, will you let this crazy side of me go? It's the information you want to know. What was the question? Because I'm kind of high. I'm sitting back. My back hurts just a bit. Thinking I should take 2 more, but I'm thinking, good, but yo, I don't want to itch. Full 6 hours. I already took, 10? That was 5 hours ago. I already know. Too responsible for the game. Ain't gonna crawl and scream. Nah, because I sit in pain. Learn how to do this. much gain. Chill with Jesus. Jesus teaching me how to accept sacrifice. I'm learning to be nice, cause we all see capabilities, animal and strike backs. People are afraid of me sometimes, but that's just cause I'm good at it. I ain't giving you no refund, so I work hard to be in this seat again and again and again. Do you notice every day we put it in, we get better, but we gotta change up this audio video plex system. It's gotta be better. Still disappointed in the delivery, maybe not so much anymore the vocals, cause they end up the same like you heard before. It's like Eminem God, it just never stops. Understand? This is just a process. This way song gets stuck in your head. Trust me, I got another one better than this. We're going 15 times speed. Sound amazing. That's break the money, giving you a discount because I'm a nice guy. I'll be even nicer. I'll let my wife use all of it on charities to help puppies and dogs. She's more worried about them than you are. I think a lot of people are on her side. Live PD, she's more worried about the dog being outside than you. Face being crushed by their boot, being kicked in the nuts on accident, being handcuffed, thrown back. He's a loud ass dog. You bit your ass. Yo, she's worried about his jaw, rather than your blood coming out from the dog bite. So, I'm gonna support that cause. Who cares about you, man? Who cares? Who cares about you, man? I need to save all the cats freezing outside. It's winter up here. You need to purchase a bunch of vans, have patrol the streets. So give them a warm place to sleep from the idiot pet owners. We're gonna find a nice home for you, bro. Yeah, look at that. You did it. I mean, man, that was my life. It was easier just to move. I like Colorado much better than you did. I don't need to prove, because I got a style. You can't beat me down. I know where I was at the time of night. I was at home at my parents' house. Whole thing went down without me even there, man. So it's one of those nightmares where I was just a slave. How can you see me as anything more? People want to make me out as a monster. All I know how to do is move my jaw. I know how to get paid by robots. Promos, direct deposits. I'll put you in your place when I don't want to. I'm just here for the albums. I'm here for the collection. Look at that criminal. No one even likes you. Take pills just so I can make it to the next day. Not because I'm a criminal. We've done a pill count how many times. Eventually one of these times you gotta believe. Maybe it's the propaganda on your TV. Because it never ends. It doesn't stop with me. It doesn't stop with another bull victim. Not being a bully. Just try to feel good. Get a rise out of what I should done. I'm behind on my work schedule. You can't help spreading names, rumors that are against the laws. In my religion, is I'd like to stay clean. I move forward with these investments. You can run your job all day, but honestly it doesn't bother me. I hear it all the time, but I can't go out and clear my name with 8 million people. Let them have their opinion, not against the law. I'm not mad, Holmes. So I tell them when you turn me on, and that's who I was. From the moment on, that's...
Track rise, go to the moon.
Go to the moon. You'll go to the moon. Go. I'm fantastic when I wear astronaut jackets. S16 watch, old classics. On television, LEDs. I got my dream. Here, talk, talk to me. I feel it when my slave hits all around the enemy. Pop. The moon. Yeah, you'll go to the moon. Go. Yeah. I'm fantastic when I wear. I'm fantastic. A sitting watch. Oh, clock. On television, LCTT. I got my dream. Here we'll talk. Talk. I feel it. I slave. It's all around the enemy. Pop. What? Go to the moon. You'll go to the moon. Go. What? Go to the moon. Yeah. You'll go to the moon. Go. Pop. Yo, man. Pop. We are. What I did. Ride your motorcycle, cycle. Go. Here's around the head heels. Head down, boy. It's a funeral. Oh, hard is a party. Did late a day. I'm not late pop the crap. She's got me a crap. We what? Yeah. Right to water. Here's around the corn. Head heels. Your head tap. There's a universe out. I'm cold, hard, party.
Damn, yo, I know I can talk you. Right.
It's got me. Hooked. I'm the
And then this box is this one. This one is the only one that has a limiter on it. So a limiter basically just trims the top, so it doesn't have all that airspace, basically. And then you can control your tone and your attack. Pretty nice, man. Sit back here in amazement. Every time I listen to one of these, man.
The bedroom, room 5. Take off your clothes, install the King of Devil, the DJ soul. And if you pump a 5-fold, bring it back to the Metro Royce. You can see all the random toys. The studio dope.
Alright, we're gonna skip this one. I'm not sure why I put this one in there. This is a sloppy track, but we can take it out, so we can delete it. I didn't release it yet. See? That's why it's nice.
What? You like
Yeah, man, that's why it's nice.
Life could be so much worse.
None of us
You
heard
gotta
yet.
live it now. Why you still got a choice? Cause you don't wanna end up like me and me forced to play the game. Homie's been forced to play the game. So now take my word of advice. You're not forced. You can play the game like I did GTA. But when you really hear the call in, you play the game. High scores are cashing out many modes. Another one done perfectly. I say what? Cause God loves his bills are red. He loves your son. Separate your ego from God. I'm telling ya, cause I know I don't believe in much, but in near-death experience, dream of what I have it in my life. If I had a purpose, man, it'd be better than 2 I've true, but I know that ain't right. Man, if I had a purpose, yeah, don't fight it, child, let it go. Let Jesus hand hold. Live in and praise. Live to do something bigger than your last life. Not every day's gotta make sense. Come on, man, who you impressing? The Lord. Even when I do the nasty, the Lord sees through the cat eyeballs, and the cats watch me do the nasty. I do it to impress. I take an SHIT. Yo, here it is, Lord. I'm here to impress. I go to the closet, hang up my coat. I hang it up for Jesus, cause that's what he would do. I play video games. I play it like Jesus would. Let out some stress so I don't go cheating on someone. Cause I'm bad, like Michael J, but I took off the glove. Still sound found hits. Nonetheless, microphone won't drop cause I give it all to Jesus. Give it all to God. Microphone won't stop. I'm praising.
Play ball
She likes
song.
to play ball
Oh, shit, yo, that
Just
thing was in my
bounce, yeah.
face.
and goes deep for the touchdown.
How many sessions, man?
Reaches deep within herself. She needs to find the way out.
Thank you
'Cause she just got herself
for
in
the
a
random
hole
thought
again.
just popped in my
On a
head.
stick,
You know, maybe I
roasting.
shouldn't,
That's
like,
what
give
her
that
friends
shit out
will
of the way.
do if they
Thank
ever
you.
find out what she's doing. She can't be faithful to herself,
Thank you, random thought.
man. So she keeps her secret.
Oh, shit.
Peek inside your mind. You're not
No,
really that bad.
It means I'm
What
shit,
goes
and that's
on?
okay.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Means we got
It
some
is
working to
what
do
it is.
ourselves.
It is a time. No one can say.
That's
That
what that
you live
means,
your
man.
own life. No one's got the same desktop as you do mine. Come on, you play in the game, but you play it too seriously. Just don't violate.
Yeah, you know, sometimes I just can't turn this
Come
off,
early.
you know, like that.
A bird is a word.
Hey,
Just like your
yeah,
name
it's just-
carefully.
Track
Too
8
hot, man.
restricted
Yo, we
disease.
got
Instrumental.
shit we already
8
recorded
restricted
that we
disease.
need to spice up with.
Instrumental.
Yo, we're making more, yo. Woo, yo. So, the thing here is, he says, damn, he's single. I walk it in slow-mo.
All he has is haste for us. Peacefully in this trophy. Yeah. Woo, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. We're gonna smoke a joint. Bro, in the building. Tons of eyes, it's no wind. Bragged in. I hope. Homie bragging. You're number one. You're number one. Homie be bragging. You're number one. You're number one. Yeah. Homie be bragging. Homie be bragging. Homie look what the cat just like did. Yeah, yo. Bragged in. So we'll be harvesting acapellas. Yeah, that sound good. You mind if I take roll so I spit some major cold? I brush you on the shoulder, grab the mic, I want on stage, I come back in number one. I show the peeps in the front row, where we got calls, where we show what I take. I rock all back and forth, get the boat back and forth. Yo, sounds good. Play some here, yeah. Oh yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go. There's a. Oh yeah. Homie riding this pretty low. Homie riding low. Homie rides low, homie got reeds in the ride. Homie rides low, homie got reeds in the ride. Yeah, don't go outside.
Alright, so we're gonna try this again. Ah, damn, yo. Yeah, they be saying that on live all the time. There it is, yo. Real as could be, man. What real? It's real, yo. Man, there's nothing on my screen. I ain't paying attention to chat. I normally do not. I mean, come on, I'm in committed relations, but I guess not. Still am, but it's just like, we on hold, I'm okay. Just let me know where we at, so I can rewind the tape and push play to where I was at. Cause damn, at the end of this match, I'll be big and strong. Be King Kong, doing 100 push-ups a day, I heard in chat. Randomly on my lunch break. Hoo-ha, yo, I listen once in a while, but I never engage. Sometimes I say hi. Damn, my microphone needs to be tuned. So, sitting back here, not nervous, but simmering. Thoughts. Listening to other people's inspiration. Listening to my work can be like, well, you know, sometimes little ass things can make a big difference. So, I believe a lot with my early tracks, they were rushed. So, I need to get in the habit of playing them. So, like, alright, so we're going to add, like I should have done before, but we didn't, because I forgot. Should have a list up here. So, when we get done mixing these today, I added another step into my workflow. And we got this fancy entry-level piano. We're gonna try to do our best to add some extra tunes, but I also want to get something that integrates up with my PC. So I think it's time. I never did that before because I'm a college course in itself. Maybe I'm just dumb, but it's taken me a long time to fully isolate everything in here, and the PC is the next step. And once I have that on my screen here, I really think making music would be on a different level, because not that I ever steered away from it. I think, again, the only thing that stopped me was from that loud ass buzzing shit, and I couldn't, like I said, I could never get around it. But it's 2020, man. Surely, you know, there's something out there that can connect bottom two screens here to my head without an iPad. being the middleman. That's what my iPad is, man. Jump desktop. Find it in the App Store. It's the middleman. I have to use touch screen.